Ready? Okay, so when using the bandsaw, the first thing that we need to check is that the throat of the bandsaw is about 5 to 10 millimeters above the workpiece. Now that's this part down here. So we can tighten that with this thumb screw on the side. We've got an on-off switch around here, so the green is obviously on. When we turn it on, it's important that we take a steady cut and we keep our job turning. Hands are well to the side, nowhere near the blade. So making a curve cut, we do a series of straight cuts which enables clearance for the blade when we make a curve cut. Turn, turn. And notice how the strap falls away to give clearance to the blade. We're always working to a line and staying outside the line. When finished, turn the machine off.